Hello lovelies, join me, let's make this quick breakfast recipe. I know you might be saying that maybe this is just for breakfast, but you can actually eat this for lunch and even dinner, you guys. So I made this and my family really love it, and I wanted to share with you guys. So I first start with putting some butter in a hot pan, and then I reduce the heat and crack 4 eggs into the pan. I quickly went for that to just slice some onions that I'll be using for this recipe, and you can as well use maybe red onions, but in this situation I just had white onions at home, so I used what I have. You know that type of cooking that you're cooking and you're just like, oh, what do I have at home? Imagine you just having your eggs and this wrap bread, and before you know it, your breakfast is ready, really quick and easy, and you just eat and you're on your way to work, or you're taking the kids to school and everybody is satisfied. This is that type of recipe, you guys. I just quickly added some salt and some black pepper for the taste, and then I went for that to add some cheese before I cover it. So I cover and let it cook for low heat 4 minutes, and then I flip to the other side, and then I went straight to put some tomatoes, and then before I had to slice the tomatoes, give it a desirable size like I'm doing right now, because this will make it look really delicious, healthy, and it's something that you will eat and want to do it again. That kind of recipe that when you're done eating, you're thinking about making it the next. This is one of those recipes. So when I was done putting the tomatoes, I went straight to putting my cheese. I added some cheese, and then I sliced some green onions, and then I put some parsley first, and then I added the green onions to make it look really green and delicious, you guys. And I cover, and after 4 minutes of cooking low heat, it was ready. The recipe was ready. This breakfast is one of those breakfasts that is really delicious and healthy, you guys, and you must try this at home, please. And when you're done trying it, let me know how it turned out, and please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. I love you guys.